Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login 8. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to fix WhatsApp bug on iPhone. For that, make sure to watch the video till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. First of all, tap open Safari or web browser of your choice. In the search bar, type in WhatsApp server down. After you type it down, tap on go and then you'll be loaded to a page something like this. Tap on the first option of down detector. This website will let you know if there is any problem in WhatsApp servers in the last 24 hours. If there is any problem in the WhatsApp server, then you'll have to wait until WhatsApp fixes it. For the second option, go back to your home page of Safari or a web browser of your choice and in search bar type in internet speed test. Tap in any link that comes in your search page and you'll be able to know your internet speed. If your internet speed is more than 5 Mbps or is equal to 5 Mbps, it is sufficient to use WhatsApp. If it is less than 5 Mbps, you need to fix your internet speed. Now, the third option we'll follow is go back to your home page and tap on settings. In the settings page, scroll down until you find WhatsApp. After you find it, tap on WhatsApp. Here we are going to check if you've allowed your microphone and camera in WhatsApp. If microphone and camera option is toggled off, you'll have to toggle on that option. Toggling on that option, if it's toggled off, will fix your call in WhatsApp. If that is already toggled on and that's not your problem, then move on to the next option. Here, go back to your settings page. In the settings page, scroll until you find General. After you find General, tap on General. Tapping on General will lead you to a page something like this where you'll have to tap on iPhone storage in the third sector. After you tap on it, you'll be loaded to all the apps that's present in your phone. Tap on WhatsApp after you find it. Then tap on Offload app. Tapping on Offload app will free up storage used by the app, but it will keep its documents and data. Tap on Offload app after the menu pops up. After your Offload app is completed, a Reinstall app button will appear. Tap on it. Tapping on reinstall the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So this is how you fix WhatsApp bug in iPhone. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.